I got a new job today. You cannot mess this up, all right? You got a good opportunity here. You could play both sides of the fence. You get some undercover money, and you could get some racers money, and everybody's gonna think, wow, this guy's the greatest. So, gotta get our head. Oh shit, my pocket. Gotta be everything's perfect, you know? All right, we good? Get our head in the game. Let's go do it. Let's kill this first day. Oh boy, first day on the job. Man, I can't wait. Let me find Mr. Mike here. Oh, Mr. Mike, how you doing?
Officer Whitewalls.
Hey,
What's up, buddy?
You remember that job you gave me the other day?
I do. I thought you weren't going to show up.
Yeah, well, today I'm prepared for today to be my first day. I ironed everything out with the force over there, and you know what they told me? They said, man, we think it's a great idea. All we needed to do is they're going to send me with a hidden camera so I can record and we can find that sucker in the back that's possibly distributing stuff illegally. So I got my hidden camera here.
Oh, nice.
But they won't even know I'm filming. You know what I mean? It'll be just like it just blends right on in there. Just a standard issue body cam from the force. They won't even know.
Nobody's even going to know.
So if you don't mind, I'm gonna get some interviews and see what I can find.
Yeah, you do whatever you
Oh,
need.
thank you, sir.
Full support.
Thank you. Alrighty, let's get to working here. Don't mind me just walking around without a body cam, incognito. No one knows who I am. Oh, how you doing, sir?
Doing good.
I wonder if I might could interview you for a sec.
Sure.
I was kind of wondering. You seen anything suspicious going on around here?
No.
You seen any illegal distribution of anything illegally around here?
No, sir.
Nothing like that. Nothing. Just everything plain Jane, huh?
Thanks, plain Jane.
Well, hell. Well, thank you, sir. You have a good day. Oh, our next contendant. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. I was curious. You seen anything illegal around here? Any illegal distribution of any illegal items? Anything like that? Any meth or anything like that? Any kind of good? Oh, whoa! We got whatever the code for this is in progress. I gotta go. Hey, you come back here, you rabbit meth head! You stop! In the name of the law! I'm gonna use it as a ninja star! Stop resisting! Stop! It's Rodney King! Stop! You're under arrest! Help me, Tom Cruise! Alright! Come on, get up! This is an outrage! What is that? What is that?
Oh, no.
You're going down to the station. I knew it. Boy, them boys down there is going to love. It was your shirt was the first thing that gave it away. That was a dead giveaway, Bubba. Get in there. Mr. Abney, I had a breakthrough today. I told you there was somebody here selling illegal stuff, illegally. They was distributing this stuff. I caught them. You know, I was just out there doing interviews, and by golly, I said meth. And this old boy done took off running. I got him in the squad car, though, but I got this. I took it off his person. I got him in the squad car. I'm going to take him down to the station. I'm going to question him a little further. But I'm going to get to the bottom of your problem that you got here.
I don't know the way.
I know what you want to do. You want to call my boss, give all kinds of praise, tell him I solved the case for you. Not yet. Nope, not yet. Give me another week. I'm going to find it. There's more back there. I know there is. I know it.
What is wrong with him?
I got a new job today. I can't this up. Oh, I can't say Can I say Oh, this one. Here, you got some thick ass wrists. Bet your don't match. I done told you there was somebody Hang on. Can't see him here. I done told you there's somebody. You laughed and made me laugh.